If paper could steal a life, could paper also repair it? In Ocoee, Florida, 1920, homes and futures were stolen, not only with fire and rope, but with deeds and signatures. When violence swept through the Black community, it wasn't just the flames that destroyed. Land was signed away under threat, families forced to flee, and property shifted hands with a stroke of a pen. Generations lost their land, wealth, and the chance to build lasting legacies. But what would repair look like today? Scholarships for descendants? Land returned to families? Memorials that keep the truth alive and honor those lost? These aren't just ideas. They're real ways to rebuild what was taken. America has done it before. Reparations for Japanese American families after internment. Reparations for Rosewood survivors in 1994. If justice was possible there, why not here? Ocoee shows us how wealth was stolen. The question now is simple. Does America know how to give it back? Watch the full story in Part 3, Repair and Justice, From Chains to Change.